Do you suck at redstone, but do you want to get better? Well, I got you, bro, because today you have the simplest redstone tutorial ever. Step 1. Get the items you need. What you will need is redstone torch, redstone blocks, rails, whatever stuff there is that I cannot mention. Maybe that's some of this too. Then you start building. Follow along this time lapse. Time is up and boom, just like that we can now blow up a forest from a great distance. Using this lever, wait a few seconds and a boom. And a boom. But do you guys want to see an even better redstone build? Well, I got you. So follow along this time lapse. And boom, just like that, we have coded the entire earth in Minecraft, guys. This is absolutely insane. Oh yeah, and while I was brushing my teeth, I managed to code the entire solar system in Minecraft, everybody, with planet rotations, moons, and every single asteroid. See, redstone in Minecraft is so simple, but do you guys want to see an even better build? And just like that, guys, while I was sucking my own toes, I managed to code the entire Milky Way galaxy into Minecraft with every single star. Yeah, redstone is so simple, am I right, guys? It is so simple. You can code entire galaxies in just 4 minutes thanks to this tutorial.